What if your entire real estate operation ran smarter? Every deal, every lead, every document? Manual document review, missed leads, and gut feel pricing decisions are costing you time, money, and deals. Here's what we've built for our existing clients and how it can help your business too, in replacing the busy work that is slowing your deals down. Tool 1: AI-driven PDF data extraction. Auto-pull cap rates, NOI, rent rolls, and lease terms from every OM, lease, or contract you receive. What took an analyst 3 hours now takes 3 minutes, with 0 manual re-entry errors. Tool 2: AI-driven predictive analytics. Spot emerging submarkets, forecast rent growth, and flag at-risk tenants before the market catches on, entering deals 6 to 18 months ahead of competitors. Tool 3: ML-based ranking model. Score and rank every incoming deal, offer, or tenant application against your own criteria, so your team reviews the best opportunities 3 to 5 times faster. Tool 4: Knowledge base and insights generation. Pull and use your own data from different sources in a structured format. Ask our bot a question and get a structured answer in seconds, from comps to lease clauses to portfolio summaries, no digging through folders. Tool 5: Audio bots. Helping you to qualify buyers and sellers, schedule showings, collect feedback, and answer calls around the clock, so no lead ever goes cold. Without needing to be available to answer calls. Would you like to know how your business can be more efficient? Book a meeting with us today.